Hey guys, Street Stance Silver Garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any time, but please subscribe whether you like our enduro races or our hot challenges or my how-to videos.
That is on.
Or me just building this 1,000 horsepower Civic right here that I'm standing in the engine bay of. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be getting pepper sprayed and tased at the same time. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. And let's get on with today's video.
What is up, YouTube? We are here. We're going to get the head completely together except for getting the cams put in. So we're going to put all the lifters and lost motion assemblies in. So we're going to start off with, we got Super Tech lost motion assemblies. These actually just sit right down in there. Nothing to them. Get all these in first. We'll be able to get started on this thing. There's a lot of little pieces to this head. Just gotta make sure you got everything right. So there's that. Those are all done. You're going to need your Permatex Ultra Slick. So, and some gloves, because you're going to get stuff all over you. Okay. Okay, guys. Put these together. You have an outside, a center, and an outside. This outside has the spring in it. This one will receive the little pin, and the big pin goes in the center. Okay, so we have to lube these pins up. We have to lube everything up here, and we'll put it all together. And they actually, this will stand up. This is the middle one here. So this is the right side. And this was the left side. They kind of just stand together like that, and they go on this rod here, which we have to slide through the head all at one time and put them on. So we'll go ahead and get this lubed up. We'll lube up the bar and we'll start putting it in, and we'll see if we can't get this going. And I'm pretty sure I can put it in this way. And this is the cap for the end of it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in on this side. I'll torque that down here in a minute. Like I said, I'm just putting that in so the rod can only go so far. So we're gonna go ahead and start lubing this stuff up. Gotta get on the sides and center, on the pin, and we were gonna put some on the top of that. Ran out, need some more. This stuff's very stringy, very sticky. So get the center pin lubed up here. Center pin in. Center pin gonna roll out of there. So we put the center pin in. You can see the pin moving. The pin coming out, just sliding out on its own. Push the pin in. Lube everything up real good. That one's together. Okay. Put some Ultra Slick on that. Get some in there and on this. Okay. together there. 3-cylinder here. Now I have all these marked. These actually are going exactly. These are going exactly where they came out of. So we'll be pretty close on our valve adjustment. We won't have to adjust very much, but we will have to adjust it. We'll go ahead and get these lube. Okay, there's one pin in for that. So now we got to do the other side backwards so you guys can see. I'm going to do it exactly how it's sitting. I'm not going to move anything. Put these all together the same way. Make sure our oil squirters are in toward the center there. Then we got to turn these ones around and put them down in here. Okay, there's one. Here. Okay, well, we're right through that time. A little bit more lube on this thing here. Yeah. All right. Last set, guys. second pin. Put our cap on this end, cap on this end. Everything down really good. Okay. We're just gonna wipe these down, clean them up for now. We have new cams in the mail. We're waiting on them to arrive. Just like we're waiting on our turbo still. We're waiting on a couple items still to get here, guys. Shipping's just been crazy trying to get parts for this engine. So we're just taking our time and getting what we can get done. So now, guys, this thing is ready to put on to the engine. This head has been checked. It does not leak. All the valves are good. No valves leak. None of the seats leak on it. So we've gotten everything pretty much taken care of on this head that we can do to it. So we are pretty much done with this thing. Wipe everything out real good. I don't want no dirt kind of accumulating on it. We are going to go ahead and probably go ahead and get this thing put on the engine tonight, guys. So stay tuned for our next video. We'll get this head. We'll get it put on the. We'll get it put on the car. Get it torqued down, and well, not on the car, on the bottom end of the engine here, and we'll have it all together. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share if this helped you guys put together your guys' B series engine. Like always, comment down below. Always try to respond to you guys as quick as I can. Always love responding to you guys. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And we will see you on the next video, guys, where we will be putting this head on the car. So see you guys later.